Guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Nychy Eyanna, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this unit that I got from Amazon. I am nervous about this unit because every single time I order from Amazon, the wig is always super thin or the lace never fits my head ever. But this unit, it says that it's supposed to be 180% density, so I'm hoping that it's going to be pretty thick. And it is a 13x6 lace closure. It does come in a natural black, so I am going to be bleaching the knots and dyeing it brown. I bought some dye from Sally's, it's right here, and I'm going to try to dye the bottom blonde and the top like a auburnish brown. So we're gonna see how it holds because I only bought bleach for the knots. I'm not going to be bleaching this whole unit. I just got 40 volume developer and we're gonna see kind of how it goes. So before we do all of that dyeing and bleaching the knots, I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like straight out of the package. So it does come inside of this little bag, which is cute because sometimes Amazon wigs, they just come in like a plastic bag like this, but they usually don't have this on it either. But this one came with the little bag, and then it also comes with this wig cap, but it's one of the mesh types of wig caps. So I ordered 24 inches and I ordered it in, I think it's like a body wave. That's kind of what it looks like in this packaging. So this is what it looks like straight out of the package. It actually is pretty thick. It doesn't feel super thin, so I'm happy about that. So far it's winning in the thickness. It does have some pretty little body wave to it. This is what the inside looks like. Right here is the inside. And then it has a clip in the back, the little adjustable straps, and then 2 clips on the side. So it doesn't look bad overall. The knots are pretty black. It definitely is going to need to be bleached. And I'll probably pluck the hairline a little bit too. And then I'll show you guys the final result at the end of the video. Another thing about this before I go and start dyeing it, it does have this like indent already for a middle part. You guys can see that. It kind of already has a middle part laid out, so that's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to bleach the hair first completely, and then I'm going to bleach the knots at the end because I don't want to bleach or like dye the hair and then bleach the knots and just ruin the dye that I just did. So that's what we're gonna do first.
Here I am showing you guys what coloring I'm using. I'm using the High Color by L'Oreal, and then I'm going to bleach the knots with this, and I'm using 40 volume developer. So I'm not measuring any of this. I am not an expert with dyeing hair. I've dyed many wigs before and they've turned out good or they turned out bad. So this is a very sloppy method, but I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping for the best. And I try to use a comb to kind of brush it through, but really I just kind of like sloppily put it everywhere.
Guys, I am so happy right now. I could literally cry. So first off, the wig, I just finished dyeing it and bleaching the knots. It did take the color. If you remember before, this wig was like pitch black and now it has more of a brown tone, which will match with my eyebrows and kind of my natural hair better because like I said in past videos, my natural hair is like a light, like really light brown, like lighter than this, but it matches well with my eyebrows. So I usually prefer to make my wigs like brown or like a blondish color. So it did take it. It did not take the blonde on the bottom, which I kind of figured it wouldn't because that was kind of a big hope. The hair is still a little damp. It's not soaking wet. I am going to blow dry and like style it, but before I finish that, I wanted to show you guys. In all of my videos, you guys see I complain how the wigs never fit my head all the way. It never goes from edge to edge, and like it never does. And if I get it to that point, it's like the back of it ends like right here. Just look at this. Edge to edge. I have never found a wig that fits my big head perfectly. And it ends all the way at the back at the nape of my neck like it's supposed to. I have never, and when I say never, I'm so serious, I have never found a wig that perfectly fits my big head. So if you have a big head, this wig is 1000% perfect for your head. I'm going to try my best to lay this because, like I've said, I've never really laid a whole wig down like this because I can never find one that fits. So I'm going to attempt to do that now. Oh, also, I did not pluck this yet. I am going to, because it is pretty like blunt right here. So that's what I'm going to do first, and then I will try to lay a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not like a huge fan of baby hair anymore, but I'm going to try to make this look very natural. So I have like the perimeter laid down and tied. I did cut down like the hairs in the front to add a little bit of baby hair, and I did blow dry it again. It is pretty much dry, and now because the body wave is pretty much gone because I did wash it and everything, so now I'm going to straighten it out and try to add a little bit of curl, like wave back into it. Straighten this out a little bit, so I want to show you guys the back of the hair. And it comes to like here. Okay, so now that it's kind of semi straightened out a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Okay, so here is how the side is looking. I plucked it just a little bit, not like a whole lot, so it definitely could be plucked a lot better, but this is what it's giving. So I'm going to go ahead and try to swoop these up a little bit and make it look a little more appealing. And to lay the baby hairs, by the way, I'm just using this. Not doing too bad. Here's the one side kind of laid just a bit. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I have both sides kind of laid. And I'm going to split this in the middle. Give me that nice middle part. No, I don't have a hot comb. I used to, but don't anymore. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to lay like a tiny bit of edge control through this part so it kind of lays like a little bit flatter. So use some more of this foam first, and I'm going to just lay it like this, just to help a little bit with like the flyaways. And then what I'm going to do next, because I don't have like I said, a hot comb or anything to really help flatten it out, I'm going to use this edge booster, and it's a pomade you could use for your edges too, but I'm going to use it for this part a little bit. I'm just going to kind of like smooth it out so I don't have a whole lot of it, and I'm just going to kind of lay on either side of the part to kind of help smooth it out and flatten it out just a little bit. What I do next is I take a brush kind of like this. This one obviously needs to be cleaned out because I've used it so much, but I just kind of like brush the pomade down. It's not a whole lot of pomade that I put on there. It's like a very thin layer, but I brush it down because not only does it help to kind of like flatten it out, but it helps with the flyaways. It helps to kind of keep it all down. See, it's kind of like flatter now, and the part is more like prominent. It's not like as like hidden anymore. I'll do kind of like a little close up so you can kind of see more. This is how the hair is looking. Like I said, the front can be plucked some more if you want to, but honestly, I don't mind it like this. Like, I think that it looks good still. I didn't pluck it a whole lot, but it definitely can be plucked some more to give it more of like a natural look. But I think the baby hairs, like the swooped edges, kind of helped hide the awful hairline a bit. The hairline wasn't like horrible, but it definitely needed to be plucked, you know. So yeah, I really am digging this. So I added a little bit of like brown eyeshadow that was pretty similar to this color along kind of where, like I said, like back here and like right here specifically where it had over bleached just a little bit. And then I put a little bit of foundation to kind of define the part better, and that is all. So my final opinion on this hair, would I buy it again? 1000% yes. Is the density like what it says it is, 180%? Honestly, me, I 100% believe, because look at this. This is pretty thick hair. It's definitely like 150 in the 180 range, around there. It's definitely good quality hair. It's super soft. It doesn't tangle. The hair definitely takes dye because this definitely is a lighter color. If you do want to get to like a blonde, I guess you would kind of have to like bleach it and everything. I'm not an expert at dyeing hair, but I used a box dye kind of thing for the blonde, but it said it was supposed to work on dark hair, but it definitely didn't turn it to like a blonde color, but it did lighten it with the brown. The lace is pretty soft. It wasn't like one of those crunchy hard laces. It is definitely big head friendly. It fits my head perfectly from edge to edge. Just overall, this unit is really good. I would definitely purchase again. I most likely am purchasing again like right after this video. I'm probably going to buy 2 more because it is so affordable, and this is such a great wig. I think that this is a win in my book. I took a risk on getting this wig. It didn't have a whole lot of reviews. There wasn't a whole lot of reviews on this unit. It's from Amazon. You know, I didn't see any video reviews on this, and I took a risk with it. I was like, and the price for 24 inches, I was like, wow, 24 inches, 180% density, human hair, you know, like I was like, I definitely could be getting scammed on this. But I most definitely did not, because this unit, I just absolutely love it. I'm 100% buying this again. I'm definitely going to order it right now. I'll probably order it in different lengths. I definitely want to get another one in this length. Should you get this unit? 1000% yes. Yeah, I mean, that's all I really have to say. 100% get this unit. Super affordable. Ships very quickly. Like, this shipped within like 2 days. Got it super quickly. The length is nice. The fullness of it, just everything about this unit. I'm so surprised that I found this on Amazon. I am literally shocked. This is better than many units that I've gotten from other companies before. Like, I absolutely love this unit. So that is really all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If there's any other videos, hair that you would like me to review, let me know in the comment section. If you do get this unit, let me know if you like it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.